your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see on your in your Safari could not open the page, couldn't, sorry, because and also how you can fix your problem. So first thing, just try to close your Safari and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, you can also just try to fix it by going to the settings and just find here, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power the phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your system. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.